2025 Volkswagen Amarok is back, and it's bigger, better, and more powerful than ever. This mid-size pickup truck combines rugged off-road capabilities, powerful engine options, and premium features, making it a top choice for those looking for a versatile and reliable workhorse. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at the 2025 Amarok, exploring its design, performance, interior, and advanced features that make it stand out in a competitive market. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Amarok has undergone a significant transformation with a more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a bold, wide stance. The overall look is modern and muscular, perfect for those who want a truck that can handle the toughest terrains while turning heads on the road. The rugged styling is complemented by a well-built frame, making the Amarok look like a truck that means business. Under the hood, the 2025 Amarok offers a range of engine options, including a 2.0L turbocharged diesel engine and a more powerful V6 diesel. The V6 engine delivers an impressive 221 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, providing the truck with more than enough power for towing, off-roading, and highway cruising. The Amarok's 4-motion all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, whether you're driving on mud, sand, or snow. And with the 8-speed automatic transmission, shifting is smooth and efficient, whether you're hauling a load or going on an adventure. Inside, the 2025 Amarok offers a premium cabin with high-quality materials, spacious seating, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The new touchscreen display supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected while on the go. The Amarok's cabin is designed to be durable, with easy-to-clean surfaces and practical storage spaces. Whether you're using the truck for work or as a family vehicle, it offers plenty of space for both passengers and gear. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Amarok is equipped with Volkswagen's IQ Drive system, which includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, and the towing assist ensures safe and efficient hauling. One of the standout features of the 2025 Amarok is its towing capacity. With a max towing capacity of up to 3.5 tons, this truck is more than capable of handling heavy loads. Whether you're towing a trailer, boat, or camper, the Amarok provides the strength and stability needed for the job. The 2025 Volkswagen Amarok also features impressive fuel efficiency, with the diesel variants offering around 7 to 8 L per 100 kilometers, making it an efficient choice for those who need a truck for both work and long trips. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Amarok is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile pickup truck. With its bold design, powerful engine options, high-end interior, and advanced safety features, the Amarok is built to handle any challenge, whether it's on the work site or on your weekend adventures. Is the 2025 Amarok the right truck for you? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Honda has also improved the noise insulation, making highway drives even more refined.